Typically when we're fetching things, it's going to take some time for us to retrieve that data. So we'll want a loading spinner to display while we are retrieving that data. First thing we're going to need to do is import useState. Now we're going to need to create our variables. So we're going to say const loading, set loading. We're going to set that equal to useState. This is going to be false initially. We also have our fetch data function that I created here. We will use that in just a second. Let's go down to our button here, and inside our button, we're going to use curly braces, and then we're going to use our loading variable we just created, and we're going to use the conditional ternary operator. So we're going to say question mark, parentheses, colon, and then here we're just going to say fetch data. Now inside these parentheses, we're going to add our SVG spinner like so, and then I'm just going to format this so it looks a little bit better. Now in our fetch data function, we're going to set loading to true, and then after you fetch the data, you can just set loading back to false, and it will remove the spinner and return the text originally. So let's go try it out and see what that looks like. So once we click this button, it's going to fetch the data, wait for the data to be fetched, and then it's going to redisplay our text.